Greetings and welcome to Dave's Vintage Stuff. If you follow my videos, I mentioned that I went to a community-wide yard sale in the little town of Dunsmuir, which is about 15 minutes from where I live. And anyway, Dunsmuir is a railroad town. And I found this at a yard sale. This is an old Adlake railroad switch lock. From what I can tell, it was late 19th century or early 20th century. This would have had some sort of a skeleton or barrel key, which I don't have, so I won't dare lock it. And the gentleman that I purchased it from, he retired from Southern Pacific, and he told me that this was a Southern Pacific lock, yet I cannot find anything on it to designate that. Now this says Adlake, a little hard to read, but it's clear. There is some stamping here to the lock portion of it, but I don't know what that means. And this here is stamped in MCPRR. And so I'm not sure what that means, but that doesn't really stand for Southern Pacific Railroad. And then underneath, which I can't read at all, but there's a patent number there. Anyway, it was an interesting piece. It didn't cost me much, so I snagged it. And but if you know anything about this, how about leaving me a message? Because he was adamant that it was a Southern Pacific lock, though from what I understand, a lot of different railroads interchanged with each other, and so maybe it had some overlap. I don't know, but if you do, please send me a message. Anyway, it was a cool piece. I paid $5 for. So it is what it is. If you like my videos, would you please subscribe? That would help me out quite a bit. And as always, thanks for watching.